Are you feeling lazy? Do you want your breakfast to taste like dessert? Are you a fan of chocolate? Then I have the perfect granola recipe for you! If you love granola but think it's too expensive at grocery stores, I completely agree with you and think that you should try making your own. This granola is the perfect combination of sweet, chocolatey, citrusy, and crunchy, which is what we all want in our granola. I got the inspiration to make this granola based off of those Terry's chocolate oranges years ago before I started eating plant-based. They were one of my favorite stocking stuffers I would get at Christmas time. But I think that chocolate and orange is an amazing flavor combination that I don't think should just be restricted to Christmas time. So definitely check this out if you are interested in some chocolate orange amazingness. It's probably my new favorite, and I'm gonna be eating a lot of it in the days and weeks to come.
To a large bowl, add your maple syrup, vanilla, orange juice, orange zest, and sunflower seed butter, and whisk it all together until it's a perfectly smooth, uniform mixture. Then add the rolled oats, cashews, toasted coconut flakes, cacao nibs, cacao powder, and chia seeds, plus a generous pinch of salt, and carefully fold it all together until all the dry ingredients have been coated. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and carefully transfer over the granola. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently press and spread the granola into an even layer across the baking sheet. I dare you not to lick the spoon. It is so good. Bake the granola for 30 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle rack, breaking apart and flipping the granola pieces at the 20-minute mark. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely before eating. It will still be soft right after it comes out of the oven, but will harden up as it cools. This cacao orange granola is just so dang yummy. Is there anything that chocolate doesn't taste good with? Serious question, you guys. When I'm in the mood for something crunchy, I'll just eat a handful of this stuff straight out of the jar, but I have been known to enjoy it over some coconut yogurt with fruit, or simply just eat it like cereal with some non-dairy milk. However you like your granola, I'm positive you're going to be a fan of this stuff. It's so crunchy! Pro tip, keep your granola in the fridge. It keeps it crunchy and so fresh. Seriously, the crunch factor is crazy when it's refrigerated.
A few moments later.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new content 2 to 3 times a week, keeping things fresh, keeping things steamy around here. And as always, if you guys made this recipe, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what you thought of it. That's it. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will be seeing you in a future recipe video. Bye!